Hi, welcome back. I am so sorry. The tutorial ended. Tutorial was ended, but I could not finish my sentence because, well, my battery was empty, so I had to recharge. Yeah, well, sorry about that. But here she is. I have used my own basket file that came with the crocus, the saffron crocus, and I just placed them in there. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do. Oh, well, actually I am. I still have to take pictures, but yeah, here she is. And that was it. Thank you for ordering this flower, or when you're a subscriber, thank you as well. And I hope you enjoy making this one. And yeah, if there's a night that you can't sleep, have this flowers cut out, the templates, and try it out. you will be you will be very, I don't know, because it's pretty monotone, making the dots, coloring, it's just, one thing. Could be that it's, yeah, it's very smoothing and relaxing, I can tell you that. So have you enjoyed? Okay, I'm sure you have not enjoyed the tutorial. It's a disaster. I am so sorry about that. But templates or the techniques I've shown or the things I've explained, yeah, please head out to my Etsy shop and leave a review. Even if you are a subscriber already or a member for the Maison Gregoria group for a long time now. Yeah, please head back and leave a review. Follow me on Instagram, and if you're not a member yet of the Maison Gregoria group, please join and submit your creation for your monthly freebie. Thank you, and that was it. 2 minutes. Well, there's nothing to do, so et voila, my take on the Hellebore. Have fun!